Wait! Just a minute with Jarvis. That's right, here are some quick tips on how to be more creative with your commands with Jarvis. Blog titles too general? Ask Jarvis to include a specific word or term in the blog title ideas. Need Jarvis to write more specifically to your audience? Well, include your audience in the command. Outlines boring? Ask old Jarvis to write a detailed outline for you next time. Need a step-by-step guide? Jarvis has you covered. Want Jarvis to write a certain way? Include the tone of voice in your command to reinforce a certain writing style. Ask Jarvis to summarize something. Ask him to brainstorm for you. Sick of switching between focus mode and power mode? Well, just ask Jarvis to run any one of the templates in your command. Ask Jarvis for a list, and this time ask him why those items should be included in the list. Curious about something? Ask Jarvis. Alone? Have a conversation with Jarvis. Really alone? Ask Jarvis to pretend to have a conversation between two dogs having a philosophical debate about the afterlife. Do dogs go to heaven? Anyways, you get my point. Jarvis understands thousands of commands, so next time you give him one, be a little more creative.